Hello, Msanjita. What's up, girl? As I was browsing on Instagram the past weekend, I noticed that Happy Simelane, known as Her Majesty, showed up at the Betway horse racing event looking absolutely stunning. She wasn't alone. Eva Mudika was spotted right there with her, giving full friendship vibes. The event went down at the Temfontein Racecourse in Johannesburg. Later in the evening, Eva Mudika switched gears and they went to Babel, possibly the one in Menen in Pretoria, still serving the same glam vibes. I'm just over here thinking, Eva Mudika le Her Majesty, they're now friends. The way they were moving together had the whole place talking. Majesty pinned a beautiful weekend for just inspiration because she is a businesswoman. At the end of the video, Mzansi, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning. Today is the last Saturday of the month, the 29th of November 2025. Oh, finally, we are 5-2 finishing this year. 2025 can officially be over. We are only left with December. It will be December very soon, and then we're done with December, and then we dive into 2026. I don't know about you guys. I am so excited to walk away from 2025. This year has been such a difficult year for most of us. It has been such a difficult year. Some lost their businesses, some lost their loved ones. But at the same time, I'm driving, but I'm like, you know what? My heart is filled with so much gratitude. You know why? Because I'm here, I'm alive. And I overcame all the challenges personally that I was faced with. God faced with. God always show up and he always shows off. So I am so excited today. I'm feeling so much gratitude in my heart, and for keeping me up until this far and keeping you seeing this video. You might be going through some challenges, you might be feeling down and discouraged. I just want to tell you this morning, do not be discouraged. You're alive, man. You're alive. But we're back to us 6 feet under. Others, they are sick, fighting for their lives in hospital. Others, they're in mortuaries as we speak. You are watching this video. So do not be discouraged. Whatever challenges you can still overcome them. You can still overcome them. And 2026 is going to be a great year. Tell yourself that 2026 is going to be a great year. You are still alive for a reason. So do not give up. Anything pushang, do not give up. Do not be discouraged. 2026, because I believe that it will be a great year. You just need to position your mindset into that, and so that you can align. You remember what you think of, it manifests. Okay? So I just want to encourage you today and remind you. Anyway, God is faithful. Okay? God is faithful all the time. All the time, God is great. So I love you, and I'm wishing you an amazing, 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 amazing Saturday. Remember, life is a boomerang. What you put out there, you get right back at you. So when you send out negativity, hatred, and whatnot, do not be surprised when bad things happen to you. When you send out positivity, love, when you spread some love, love will come back to you. Great things will come to you. So I'm just spreading some love to you, spreading some positivity, and will come back to you. Great things will come to you. So I'm just spreading some love to you, spreading some positivity, and today. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Enjoy the last day of Saturday. So like that's what I was saying, and enjoy it responsibly. So from me, Her Majesty, when you have a great 2026 next year, don't forget to come back into this video and confirm and say, comment and say, happy said it. Happy said it. But anyway, see you on the flip side of life and enjoy. Enjoy. I think I said enjoy it more than I don't know how many times, because I genuinely mean, enjoy December, Like 2026 with so much with so much positivity and so much gratitude, Yeah.